Hey, Uptown Swing, level 1, Charleston.
Maddie.
Peter. So, we reminded you of the basic. Thing I want everyone to really think of is get down. Maddie keeps saying it, and it's so true every time. And then also finish your double kicks. Rock, step, kick, step, double, kick, step. That can be a really small one, but you gotta keep the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You gotta keep that time there. Then we work on the skip up. Remember, we just got the steps. So if you forget the steps, they are this. Kick, step, swing, rock, step. That was minus the magic. And we're gonna put the dancing back in. We'll do a basic, then a skip up, and we'll show you how to discount into the next basic. Hey, hop, double kick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really want you to work on fighting for the stability there, leaders and followers. You swing and make sure you dismount on that next one. Catch your rock step at the right time. Then we work on kickaways. They look like this. Kick, 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 kick. Now remember, what we're doing these is really just double kick, switch, double kick, switch, double kick, switch, switch. And I'm not pointing my legs anywhere different. I'm just turning my whole body. And that connects us. So if we do it this way, so you can see, when we turn this way, we're both trying to turn. There's a little stretchy feeling between us. When we come back, I catch my follower's hip. That's catching myself and my follower. It gives us both balance to do the next one. I want everyone to make sure you practice this at least by yourself to get the timing. If you need, if you have a partner, try this. Double kick, step, double kick, step, double kick, step, double kick, step. The thing that everyone's missing, more than any other little part, is that most people are doing kick, not a kick, kick, not a kick. And I want you to do kick, kick, step, kick, kick, step. Do that second kick, that'll get you there. It's the same trouble people are having at the end of the basic. So if we can work on that, it'll get you better at a lot of steps. We'll show it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double kick, step, double kick, step, double kick, step. A million times, never stop. Charleston forever and ever and ever.